Shawnee. So today we are going to be doing a very different kind of video for my channel. I've been mixing up the content quite a bit lately, in case you haven't noticed. And for those of you guys that have noticed and have been super supportive, I appreciate it so much. This is going to be a makeup beauty related video. However, it's a little different because a few weeks ago, I actually ordered my very first indie beauty mystery box. I don't typically go for mystery boxes like this because on the whole, I prefer to specifically purchase products that I know I'm going to love and use. Of course, with a mystery box, you never know what you're gonna get. It could be a whole box of things that you will never reach for, or it could be an amazing value and you could just get some amazing hidden gems. That's the risk you take with mystery boxes, and just because I have so much makeup, I don't typically go for them, but I have been wanting to dive into this particular brand, which is called Oden's Eye. It's a Swedish indie makeup brand, and I first heard about them from Angelica Nyqvist here on YouTube. She loves Oden's Eye. In fact, she actually collaborated with them and released an eyeshadow palette, and that's the only product I have from this brand, which is why when they were coming out with this mystery box, I figured, you know what? This is a great way to try a bunch of products from a brand that I want to try, but I haven't had a chance to try yet. They had two different sizes of mystery box. I went ahead and purchased the bigger of the two, which was $75. And in this $75 box, there are supposed to be no less than $170 worth of product in it. There was also a $45 box that had about $90 worth of product in it. But I figured, go big or go home, right? They said that it's gonna be an assortment of different products, potentially eyes, lips, face, etc. I'm excited for this, you guys. The one eyeshadow palette I have from this brand, I'm really, really happy with, and I can't wait to just, let's dive into the unboxing. I really saved this, you guys. I saved this for you. I haven't even cut the tape on the box. True unboxing status right here. All right, here goes a first impression. There's an eyeshadow palette right up top. I am very, very stoked about that. Actually, I'm not sure. This is maybe not the eyeshadow palette. It actually says makeup mirror. So this seems to be a Solmåne 2 makeup mirror. I was really hoping for the eyeshadow palette, but that's okay. That's okay. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, this is cute. Okay. Pretty. I don't want to blind you, but there's just a regular mirror on one side and your magnification on the other side. I most definitely wouldn't have purchased this with my own money. To me, this is just a bonus. I'm waiting for some makeup. The next item in here seems to be an Oden's Eye brush set. It says Saga of Freja? I don't know. I do like this case. It is really, really pretty. It's kind of ombre, like pinky peach to this minty green. And then it does have Oden's Eye kind of etched in it down here. It's a really pretty brush case. Oh, and the brushes are cute too. Similar handles to the case. It's also that peachy pink to the mint, and the bristles are a really, really pretty kind of pinky color. I'm not gonna open this because this is probably an item I will end up giving away. I don't particularly need any more brushes in my collection, but I'm sure there's somebody out there that would absolutely love these. So far, I'm a little underwhelmed, not gonna lie. Little underwhelmed, however, I see a nice big bubble wrapped packet of hopefully makeup. This is what I'm waiting for. I want makeup. All right, so the first thing I see in the box here is this Alva matte lip stain, and this is in the shade Sweet Peach. This is what I'm talking about, you guys. I want to see some makeup, so let's swatch this. The packaging is really, really beautiful. It's got like a frosted matte bottom, and it's like this nice nudie color up top. Strange scent, a little bit sweet and plasticky. And here's what the shade Sweet Peach looks like on my skin. A little bit brighter than maybe something I would normally go for. But hey, that's what a mystery box is all about. Sometimes you get products you love. Sometimes you get products that maybe you wouldn't have purchased yourself. But that's also where sometimes you find some hidden gems. Just because I wouldn't have purchased it myself doesn't mean I'm not gonna love it. Okay, there's another lip product in here. This is the Alva Kiss of a Fairy lipstick. It says Velvet Lipstick in the shade Light Peach. Now this one I'm a little iffy about. Light Peach is making me think it might be too light. Okay, again, packaging, really, really pretty, complementary to the matte lipstick I showed you guys. Oh, all right, all right. This is actually a color I would absolutely wear. It's a beautiful mid-tone neutral peach color. This one I'm excited about though. This is something I will absolutely get use out of. Okay, next up we've got the Solmåne 2 Sunlight Love Blusher. All right, I'm hoping this is a shimmery blush. That would be awesome. Why wouldn't it come out of the box? Okay, well that was a fight, but I like this packaging. Very, very, very pretty packaging here. Okay, so here is the blush color. So it seems to be a really pretty mid-tone terracotta color. Do a little swatch here. Oh, it's pretty. It's not shimmery though, which I'm kind of disappointed by, to be honest. It's a pretty orange blush. I will say orange blush, not particularly my favorite shade. I tend to go for more neutral, mauvey, slightly pinker tones over the orange, just because my skin is so orange as is. I don't feel the need to add orange into my skin. But hey, pretty color, pretty packaging, pretty texture. It seemed very smooth. We'll give it a shot. We will definitely give it a shot. Okay, we've got a mini eyeshadow palette here, which I'm excited about. I really wanted more Oden's Eye eyeshadows. Their formulas and their textures are just so, so beautiful. So this is the VERDANDI mini eyeshadow palette. Yeah, this artistry is just gorgeous. And the colors they seem nice. Actually, they're really pretty. I mean, these oranges are really pretty. This shade in the middle is a split pan, very, very glittery shade. And then you've got a couple browns over here. This looks really pretty. However, I probably am not gonna swatch this because this seems like something I should just give away. I have so many colors like this and I don't think this palette is unique other than the fact that I mean, it's pretty. Okay, it looks like we've got another brush. I don't know if this particularly went with the palette because they are the same color, but this is just a flat eyeshadow brush. I'll give these two away together. We've got some pencil looking things in here. So all four of these pencils are their gel liners. So we've got two shades that look more like lip shades. You've got like an orange and a pink, and then you've got a gray and a black. I don't think I'm gonna open all of these because once again, I'm not gonna get use out of all of these colors. I guess I should just open the black because that seems to be the one that I would actually make use out of. So the pencil itself is very small, very skinny, and it is retractable, which I do like. Oh. So not the smoothest pencil, and also the tip broke off while I was swatching it. Oh, it's right here. Is this it? Yeah, I found it. Okay. That could have made a huge mess. Alrighty, so it's definitely not the smoothest pencil. It's not the creamiest pencil, not something that I would probably use on my waterline, which is typically where I use pencil liners. It looks like a black, not the blackest black, but you know, it's black. So the final few items in the box are some single shadows. So I got 3 of what they call their Jewel Shine eyeshadows, and from the packaging, these look really pretty. I really hope these actually come in compacts. I hope they're not just individual pans. Oh good, they're just individual pans. So here are the 3 shades that were sent. We've got 2 green colors and 1 bluey purple color. Okay, so I went ahead and swatched those 3 eyeshadows right there for you guys. So this first swatch is Kevin, which is a very, very sheer, well, it looks green in the pan, but it's a really sheer lime green with a lot of pink and purple and blue glittery bits in it. The second one we've got is Noah, which is more prominent emerald green base with silver and green. Actually, it's more gold and green shimmers. And then the final one we have is David, which is a really, really pretty bright blue with a purple shifting duochrome to it. As I was swatching these three, I felt like it went from like, okay, texture's a little chunky, to, oh, that one's prettier, it's got a nice base, to, oh, that one's really nice. So that is everything that was in my Oden's Eye mystery box. Like I said, I spent $75 and I will put the value on the screen for you guys right now. You've got the brush set, the makeup mirror, the mini eye palette, the blush, the 2 lip products, the handful of gel liners, and then the 3 kind of duochrome, multi-chrome single shadows. So rounding out my thoughts on this mystery box, personally, I'm underwhelmed, but here's the thing, and I have to be realistic with stuff like this. I was given what I was promised to be given. I paid $75 and I was told I would get $170 plus value. They said that I would get a variety of eyes, lips, face, etc. products. I got all of that in this box. So I'm trying to be mindful as to explaining to you guys why I'm underwhelmed with a box like this. Of course, this is fully my own opinion. I am sure that there are people out there that would have opened this box and just been like, yes, 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 this is exactly what I wanted. I think for me, as a consumer, I have adapted the way I like to shop. I don't want just a bunch of stuff. I want quality over quantity. Not to say that these products are not quality. However, for me, quality of a product is not just the literal quality of the product, but it's also the quality of the item in my life. If I see a product and it makes me happy and I know I'm gonna get good value out of it, I'm gonna get good use out of it, to me, in my lifestyle, that's quality. And everybody has their own scale on that, you know? What matters to me in my lifestyle may not matter to you, and vice versa. I've known this for a while. I've known that for me, I would rather spend $75 on $75 worth of product that I really want versus spending $75 and getting $200 worth of product that I probably didn't want anyways, because to me, it just makes more sense for me to put the money into something that I actually wanted and see value in. I think this experience has really solidified what I already kind of knew about me, my personality, my preferences, and mystery boxes, and that's okay. Nothing wrong with this box, nothing wrong with Oden Eye, but also nothing wrong with my perspective on mystery boxes as a whole. Now that you guys made it through that rant, I am gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna give away this whole box, honestly. Beware that I did swatch a lot of these items. I haven't used them on my face, but I did swatch them on my hands, so if that bothers you, please do not enter this giveaway. Just let it pass right by. However, if you guys wanna try these items that I showed in this video, if some of these things were calling to you and you were like, oh my God, Ishani, I need that orange blush, or I want those eyeshadows, or I really, really want that brush set, whatever it may be, I'm just gonna give away this full box. If you guys want to enter, I'm going to go ahead and pop an emoji up right here. What I would like you guys to do is to like this video and comment down below. Leave a normal comment and then just throw that emoji in the comment somewhere. And then also shoot me an Instagram DM with this emoji in it. I'll pick the winner and DM you guys via Instagram DM. And in 3 days time from when this video is uploaded, I'll just go through my Instagram DMs, pick one of you guys, send this box over to you, let you guys enjoy some new Oden's Eye products. Hopefully this is the perfect mystery box for one of you guys out there, and hopefully one of you guys will really, really enjoy testing and playing with all of this. I'm happy I gave it a shot. I really was hopeful for this video, but you know what? Maybe this is for the best. I probably didn't need this much additional makeup in my collection. And I want to make it clear this is not in any way going to stop me from purchasing from Oden's Eye in the future. I know they make some kick-ass products, amazing formulas, incredible eyeshadow palettes. I will still be purchasing from the brand. I'll probably just steer clear of mystery boxes as a whole, not just from this brand, but just as a whole. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and hanging out with me today. I hope it was somewhat fun and entertaining for you. Giveaway rules will be in the description box down below for you guys. But other than that, I appreciate you. I appreciate your love. I appreciate your support. And I will talk to you in my next video very soon. I'll see you then. Bye.